Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add to queue on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. This is the explore page of Spotify. You can play any songs over here and it will come at the bottom as a now playing. But if you want to add more songs in the queue to play next, all you need to do is head over to the music that you want to add to the queue. Let's say I'll just randomly select any playlist. From this playlist, if I want to add any songs to the queue, all I need to do is tap on this three dots icon beside the song name, and here you can see the add to queue option. You can simply tap on it and this song will be added to the queue to play next. So that's it. That's a very easy process to add to queue on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.